Good evening. My name is Chang. You can call me Teacher Chang, or you can just call me Chang. So the reason why I'm making this video today is to share with you how to use the right demonstrative with the right noun. And as you know, like there are four main demonstratives. For example, like this, that, these, and those. But you're probably wondering which one we could use with the right noun, right? So are you ready? Let's get started. So let me share the screen with you fast. Okay. As you can see in the picture over here, we got the example over here. We can say this book, right? And you can see this person is pointing and it's actually touching at the book. So we use this for singular noun and with a close distance that you literally can touch, or it's really close from you, right? Okay, and we use that for further distance. So you can see over here, this person is pointing at the book, just one book. So we're using that for singular noun, okay, and further distance. Okay, so these, and you can see a picture over here, there are many books, and this person is, I would say, touching or pointing in a very close distance to these books. So we use these with plural nouns, books, these books, okay, and those, we use those for further distance, and of course with plural nouns. For example, this person is pointing at those books. Okay, so we say those books. So to recap, I would like to show you some examples. Number one, this is my book. This is my dog. This computer is a stupid machine. These books are mine. I can't read these words. These members are listening to my speech. That car is my father's. That star is very far from the earth. I'd like to go to that country. Those two men seem to be late. Those towels are so far. Look at those stars. Do you understand now? I hope that this could help you to understand how to use the right demonstrative with the right noun. Okay, hope you have a good evening tonight, and bye bye.